Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing my new keyboard, the Wooting 80HE. I got the white model and the zinc alloy. The pictures and everything look absolutely gorgeous, and I love the aesthetic of it. I'm really excited to unbox this thing. I've heard really good things about Wooting keyboards like in general, and I'm very interested to use the press key feature that, where it can basically like tell your inputs, not like read your inputs, but like, before you put the key all the way down, it's already like registered the input. And some people have actually said it's like cheating and different stuff like that. I'm gonna see really to like what extent that is. I think some games have already like banned the feature or whatever. But funnily enough, I actually did not even know Wooting keyboards existed until earlier this year. So earlier this year, I was planning on getting a keyboard with a numb keypad because the job that I had earlier this year, I was, typing away with a number keypad a lot. And I just love the feel of it. What type of texture is this for box? It's not like normal box feel. I don't really like it. It gives me a kind of crawl when you like put your hands on like drywall or whatever. Regardless, it's a box. It doesn't really matter. It's just something I'm going to be looking at or whatever. But I did not know of its existence, and for you guys that know about this keyboard already, you should know that it does not have a numb keypad. So that tells you this keyboard must have something special if it kind of like pushed my whole agenda of like what I was doing at the start. Okay, yeah, couldn't figure out how to do it at the beginning. So supposedly, whoa. Okay, I think I remember seeing this online, but I guess I just totally forgot. This is a freaking case for your keyboard. And first of all, this case is built like a freaking tank. And it's like a Steam Deck case, but it feels more like even more durable about it, which is crazy because it doesn't have a screen like a Steam Deck and stuff like that. It's just a keyboard, whatever. Feels very heavy, very bulky or whatever. Has some type of build to it and stuff like that. But like I've read a lot about it online, and I've seen some videos and different stuff like that, and there's been like a whole bunch of hoopla about it. First of all, I ordered this thing, was it April, May, or March? I don't know. It was way earlier this year. I literally just got it like a couple of days ago, which is nuts, and that should tell you that there's a lot of freaking hype for this keyboard. I would think if you ordered after me, there's some people that are probably not gonna get it till next year. Today is what? December. Path of Exile 2 comes out tomorrow, so it's December 5th. Which I'm really excited about that, and Marvel Rivals actually comes out in like a couple of minutes too. That's why I'm literally unboxing this thing right now. So I'm gonna get a stupid amount of testing on it, and I probably would be able to get like a 1 week early impressions video for you, or maybe even a review. I don't know, I'll use it a lot. Oh my gosh, okay, this is yeah, that's what I thought it did. Okay, so first of all, this is a USB-C to USB-C, and then it comes with a USB adapter, which is kind of like clearish and has this like almost beautiful look to it. And first of all, I don't know, this is just, okay, this is expensive, okay, but there's a lot of stuff that's expensive and doesn't come with like premium quality stuff. Like I'm actually already ridiculously impressed at the presentation of this. This case is built like a tank. This wire, this material, like you're not getting through this at all. And then this is something I've never seen before. This like USB with this type of aesthetic. I've seen like this little adapter that goes and stuff like that, but I just like how it's like almost a little bit, yeah, this is cool. Okay, so here, let me let you guys get an inside look at the case or whatever. So it looks like in here is, I don't know. Actually, are these extra keycaps? Or what are these? I don't know what this is. I forgot what these are. Do you put these underneath the keyboard to like sit it up? Possibly, maybe, I don't know. It says 10 degrees, so I'm guessing that is the case. In here is extra keycaps, like I said. And then what is this? These are the little things that go underneath. Yeah, you know what? I've never built a keyboard before, and I can like take off keycaps and then put them back on, but like, I know it's like a huge hobby and stuff like that, and maybe one day I'll get into it, but this is probably the highest end keyboard I've ever gotten to date. Dude, I love this case. I'm sorry. I know I keep saying that, but I love this case. This whole presentation is just absolutely nuts. Is this something? Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna have to tear it open or whatever. Okay, so in here What? The what are these things called again? Travel cards or whatever? Passport cards? What? I forgot what the term is. I don't know why. I know what they are, but I'm just blanking. Whatever. This is a cool touch. It's like, yeah, this is greetings from Wooting. Like, what the hell? That's really cool. I actually really like this. This is honestly, I haven't even opened the keyboard yet. I haven't even seen the keyboard. I can kind of like, you know, see it through. Ooh. You can kind of see it through here, but I haven't even like touched it or whatever to see and everything. But like the presentation of this thing is ridiculously nice. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Okay. So I'm guessing the other one's really not that heavy. This is the zinc alloy one. So first of all, oh, this is just like an instruction on like changing out the keycaps and stuff like that. This thing is heavy as hell. And the case is heavy too. My goodness. Okay. Let's get this thing out of here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. Sorry, I keep looking at it. I'm gonna let you guys get a look at it. This thing is crazy. Okay, and those 10-degree things, they all go like right here. Now I can see it and stuff like that. But my God, this thing is beautiful. I really wish you guys can like hold it in your hands so you can like feel kind of like the weight of it. Like, what is zinc alloy exactly? I don't know. I honestly saw it was premium and it was gonna be built and stuff like that. I didn't know it was gonna be this heavy, which I don't mind because this thing is ridiculously built, which is crazy that I'm pretty sure I can like bang this up against something and it would be just fine. That's how built this thing is. And it comes in a freaking travel case. Like literally, I don't usually take keyboards with me, like when I go on trips with my laptop and different stuff like that, but I legitimately might carry it. Honestly, this is gonna be heavy as hell. But legitimately might carry this with me. That's really cool. So I'm not gonna like test this thing or whatever today. Going to do all that in the early impressions video that I'll have either out in a week or 2 weeks or whatever. But also I'm gonna be streaming Marvel Rivals and Path of Exile. So if you wanna hop on the stream on Twitch, you can like see me on there. This thing is gorgeous though, like legitimately beautiful. And I know this has like a multicolor LED light thing, which I know is going to just contrast so well with the full white aesthetic of the keyboard. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I've had to shoot a couple of videos this week, so I wasn't able to shoot this until today, December 5th. But I'm really excited. Like Marvel Rivals comes out in like a couple of minutes. I'm really excited to use it with that and different stuff like that. But regardless, if you guys already have a Wooting 80HE, let me know what you think of it so far. As I said, I'll give you guys my early impressions within a week or two. If you have one on pre-order or you are on the fence or whatever, let me know why you're feeling that way or when your delivery is supposed to come. Regardless, as I said, I'm new to the Wooting world, so you guys just give me everything you need to know, everything that I need to know. Regardless, thank you guys so much for watching. And saying that, hope you guys have a great day.